We're here to give you our top tip about real estate to help you reach your goal.
And we're starting right now.
Welcome to another video. I'm Ellen.
And I'm Marcia, and we are
the Myriad Team. If this is your first time here and you're looking to sell a house,
buy a house,
or learn more about other real estate related stuff,
then unlock your subscription and ring that bell.
This way you won't miss anything. Our top tip to help you be successful in today's real estate market is for sellers.
Buyers.
No, sellers.
Buyers.
I'm a listing specialist, so my top tip is for sellers.
Well, I'm a buyer specialist, and my top tip is for buyers.
Okay, well, you should all know that there is a big difference between a listing agent and
a buyer's agent. So we each have another video describing what this means to you. Be sure to check it out in the description below.
By the way, we'd like to know if you have ever considered a career in real estate. Please tell us why or why not in the comments below.
And if you're already a real estate agent, then tell us how long you've been in real estate and what you love the most about it.
Okay, so today we each will share our top tip. If you're looking to sell your house, the number one most important thing for you to do is hire the right agent. What do I mean by hire the right agent? Most real estate agents do the 3 Ps. They put a sign in your yard, put it in the MLS, and they pray someone sells it. We do the 5 Ps. So the 4th P is our team prepares your home for the market to make sure that it shows in the best possible light for buyers. We also proactively prospect for buyers by picking up the phone and calling them, and by knocking on all of your neighbors' doors to let them know that your house is now on the market and who do they know that they should want to move into their neighborhood.
If you're looking to buy a house, the number one most important thing for you to do would be get a mortgage qualification. This will help you in several ways. First, it will tell you if you have any unexpected marks on your credit. Second, it will tell you the type of mortgage that you qualify for. In addition to you needing to qualify for the mortgage, the house also needs to qualify for that same type of mortgage. It will give you a full understanding of the price range that you're comfortable with. It will tell you the cash that you need for the purchase. Having that mortgage qualification on hand is also important so that your agent can schedule a private tour for any homes that you wish to see. There are some sellers who simply won't let someone preview the home without already being qualified for a mortgage. And the last thing is, if you do fall in love with that house that you're looking at and you want to draft and submit an offer, you need to have that qualification on hand already.
We hope this information will help you reach your goals.
Don't forget to unlock your subscription by ringing that bell so you will get notifications about our new videos. See what's coming next in the About tab on this channel.
We are the Myriad Team, and we specialize in real estate
for real people
like you.